When you attend ISSA Show North America, you love the educational opportunities, what you take away from workshops and sessions that help you with your business or with your professionalism. And one such opportunity is going to be presented to us by Jim Fleeler, the VP of Sales with Charlotte Products. Hi, Jim.
Hello, Jeff. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for joining us today. Let's talk about your presentation, because when people come, they have options. Let's show people why yours is such a great opportunity. Your presentation is called Improved Efficiencies with Less in 2022, and it's scheduled for Tuesday, October 11th at 1:30 p.m. Central Time. Jim, tell us all about your session.
Yeah, it's great. Thank you. First of all, to everybody listening, it's an honor for me to be able to present to each and every one of you for 30 minutes. There is an exceptional return on investment for anybody attending this in just as simple as 30 minutes or so, where your takeaways are going to be unbelievable as far as efficiencies and things like that. The title of the session, Jeff, as you say, it's really about improved efficiencies with less in 2022, but it's also far beyond 2022, because you're not going to solve all the world's mysteries in the year 2022 and problems, because obviously we'll probably have a whole new set of challenges moving forward for sure. Our in a nutshell, our existing industry, our products and our processes, they have to change. The state of our planet, the effect on human health, facility expectations, they're all increased priorities today. And where can anybody go and get help, right? We're under immense pressure that we have to have realistic solutions that apply to everybody's type of facility. So the supplies and the methods we're using today, look, there's room for improvement without question. It doesn't mean you're doing everything wrong, and it doesn't mean you have to change everything 180 degrees tomorrow, but where can you go help, right? Or get help? Well, you can get it with us. Since COVID, I hate that word actually, but there has been an uptick in cleanliness. And what we want to make sure as an industry is we don't slip back into the levels of cleanliness or poor cleanliness that we had there. So facilities, they're still struggling using cotton mops and single cavity mop buckets and glugging chemistry, and they're failing to recognize the use directions on things like that are critical, like disinfectants and food service sanitizers and things like that. So that's what this session is really all about. It'll bring into light that the cost of poor quality cleaning is dramatically higher than the cost of high quality cleaning, so really it's about better product and better performance and a better future there. So what will they learn? How to implement all of the methods surrounding labor efficiencies and processes. Okay, all the products some of the products that are involved, how to achieve higher results, and really how to improve human health with the common things that they're doing every day. And if you ask us at Charlotte, there's no more important message or direction than improving human health, because if you don't have it, it's a dramatic thing, for sure.
Jim, great details. I'm kind of wondering how you'll cover all that in 30 minutes, but you're the pro, and attendees will be there to learn all this stuff. Maybe just wrap it up with, what are some big takeaways? What will this really mean for those who will be at your session when they walk away?
Yeah, great question, Jeff. Thank you very much. What you're going to learn is the true value associated with the investment in quality cleaning programs. Some of those areas would be reduced operating costs, and really that's where your biggest spend is. Labor savings, occupant wellness, which is key as well. Asset preservation. We don't really have plans to preserve our assets in facilities, whether it's cleaning equipment or actually some of the capital surrounding the buildings and things. Improving sustainability, which is something that we really need to do sooner than later, right? And really the social return of your business when you raise your cleanliness standards, really surrounding business retention is something that you'll get out of it. So if I was any type of customer operating any cleaning program or business, whether you're a building service contractor, if you're an LTC home, a healthcare provider, a retail outlet, a large warehouse. I mean, I'm going to attend because I can afford to invest 30 minutes of my time, because I think I know the takeaways that you'll get, and it's tremendous. I mean, the bottom line is really everybody needs assistance. They need assistance that applies to their facilities, their workforce, their skill set, their budget, their directives and things like that. And this is exactly where you can get it. So, and as always, right after the session, we're at booth 4613, and we will be there. Our whole team will be there. I will be there personally, and I would certainly love to carry on more specific and detailed conversations with everybody, because if it comes down to this, can we help you? We absolutely can help anybody in any particular area of improvement and safer spaces and human health. So really, that's what it's about.
Fantastic. So 30 minutes at your presentation, and then follow up at your booth. That sounds like a good plan.
Yeah, absolutely. And where it's an honor for us to be allowed to do that, by the way.
Well, Jim, I will see you at the show.
Okay, excellent. Look forward to it. Thank you.